HSK9, Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok. This is HSK9, Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcast. Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok. This is HSK9. Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok.
Live from the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government, this is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
And this is Radio Thailand's Morning News Hour with me, Udorn Focus Day.
And with me, Edward Ensko.
Starting off our national news this morning, the Cabinet approves the urgent expedition of an ongoing project to move overhead power lines in key locations of the capital underground. Meanwhile, Thailand and UNESCO co-organized an international contemporary art exhibition entitled The Many Faces of Ramayana.
Meanwhile, Boris Johnson kicks off his election campaign, vowing to get Brexit done.